My name is Sara. I'm a social change maker and a founder of Mukhlasi NGO. Mukhlasi means freedom, and we are up to creating a world where every child is grown up into a safe, happy, and nurturing environment. We are based out of Mumbai, India, and we work across Pan India. We work with children, parents, caregivers, and major stakeholders who impacts the life of a child or who makes a difference in the life of a child. So I myself have been a survivor of child sexual abuse. And I observe that in my family itself, I learned to be quite well-behaved and obedient towards the behavior of my adults, even when they are wrong. And where did it took me? When the sexual abuse was happening with me, I didn't knew that this is a sexual abuse because no one had ever taught me about it. No one had ever spoke about what are my private body parts and where are they located. They definitely told me that sit properly, hide your legs, don't wear shorts, be careful about it. But other information about the safety, no one spoke about it. Neither my family members, neither my schools, nor any other adults. So there were multiple people who abused me, but I was not able to say them no. Rather, I chose to run away from them. And it impacted my own mental state. I started feeling guilty about myself. I thought that I am someone who is at guilt and it is my fault, I'm dirty. And I stopped trusting people. I stopped trusting myself. That was the impact on me. And I saw that there are various adults who have faced the similar incidents in their childhood. They are still carrying the trauma of it even when they are 40 or 40 plus or 60 plus. And the children right now are also not being aware about this or spoken about this topic freely because there is a guilt, shame, stigma around this topic. And we at Mukhlasi are working with children so that they are aware about it and they are ready to inform about the abuse to their adult and seek right help at the right time. And also they understand that it's not their fault if the abuse had ever happened with them. And we also prepare adults to break the stigma and talk about this topic freely with their children. The problem is that until and unless we talk about this with children, they are not going to learn about it. And the adults or the parents, they don't know how to do that because of the stigma, shame, guilt around this topic. And that's where our work steps in. We go in schools, NGOs, communities, society and aware children about it. We prepare them that how can they say no and seek immediate help from their adults. Who are the adults whom they can go and seek help and how they can seek help. And also provide them counseling if they require any support. We also work with adults like the parents or the caregivers or teachers to aware them about this topic and also make them understand that the way we nurture a child is something is going to help them to be an adult who is confident and feel safe to seek help and say no. So our goal from the project is to create that environment where every child and adult start feeling safe to say no and to seek help without having a guilt or shame. And the funding that we are getting from Kantari is going to help us to kickstart our project with around 1,400 children and their parents or their caregivers.
मैं जो 2 दिन सेशन हुआ था उसमें मैं ये फीडबैक देना चाहती हूँ कि मेरे को सेशन बहुत अच्छा लगा और मैंने कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें भी सीखी जो मेरे को पहले कभी पता नहीं थी, तो अब जाके पता लगी। जैसे हमारे प्राइवेट बॉडी पार्ट्स के नाम पता लगे और उनकी जानकारी लगी, अनसेफ क्या होता है, सेफ टच क्या होता है, ये सब चीज़ें, और हमें किससे हेल्प लेनी चाहिए और किसको बताना चाहिए, और ये सब चीज़ें मेरे को वो मतलब पता चला और मुझे सेशन बहुत अच्छा लगा। थैंक यू।
Our short-term goals to our Beacon of Safety project is to start our curriculum actively in schools so that children and their parents start getting aware about it and start to create the environment where the child can seek immediate help in any unsafe situation. And our long-term goal is to create a world where every child is gradually growing up into a safe, happy and nurturing environment. 2023, when I went in Kantari, my idea of starting the organization was very raw, and the solution also was not that impactful. So Kantari helped me to question my own idea, to go back to the vision that I have for the world, and also see that whatever the solution that I am looking for, is it appropriate to create that world for the children where they can gradually grow up in a safe and nurturing environment. So week after week, it helped me to structureize my thought, to come up with a solution, and also to create the structure of the curriculum, which can help me to build that world for the children. And before going to Kantari, I think that I was not at all good in public speaking. So every week, standing on stage and speaking and clearing up the questions that people have, it helped me to prepare my own speeches for various other events and tailor them as per the audience. I am grateful to Kantari Swiss Foundation for trusting us at the initial level of our organization. And I think that's where the support is very critical when we are kickstarting the project and want to impact the huge number of children and their caregivers, and especially in India. So I think this kind of an environment where I have a safe space to go back and say that this is the challenge that right now we are facing, and there is someone who is there to listen and understand the perspective from where I am coming. So I think that's very awesome, and that's the experience that is being left for me for a donor. So I'm really grateful.
आपल्या स्कूलचं नाव आहे क्रिसलिस प्री स्कूल पवई इंग्लिश स्कूल. तर तुम्ही जे हे दिलं आज नॉलेज खरंच खूप गरजेचं होतं, कारण इथले पॅरेंट्सना ना थोडंसं नाही माहिती की बाबा खरंच आपल्या मुलांसाठी योग्य काय आहे, अयोग्य काय आहे. तर तुमच्यामुळं त्यांना खूप हेल्प झाली आज, की समजलं बऱ्याच मुलांना किंवा बायकांना, स्त्रिया जे पण पॅरेंट्स लोक आहेत त्यांना एक गोष्ट समजली की आपल्या मुलांना आपण कितपत योग्य गोष्टी शिकवतो किंवा आपण त्यांच्या गोष्टी कोणत्या मानतो नाही मानतो. त्याच्यामुळं त्यांना खूप तुमची हेल्प झाली आज. सध्याच्या परिस्थितीला म्हटलं तर हे प्रत्येक पॅरेंट्सला माहीत असणं खूप म्हणजे खूप गरजेचं आहे. आणि मॅम तुम्ही खरंच खूप छान पद्धतीने एक्सप्लेन केलं, जेणे अनकम्फर्टेबल काही नव्हतं. ह्या नॅचरल गोष्टी आहेत खऱ्या तर. हेच प्रत्येकाला माहीत पाहिजे पॅरेंट्स लोकांना. मग ते आई असो किंवा वडील असो, त्या दोघांना सुद्धा ह्या गोष्टी समजल्या पाहिजेत. आणि महत्त्वाचं म्हणजे आपल्या मुलांना कधीही आपण चुकीच्या गोष्टी सांगायच्या नाहीत. त्याने काय होतं, गैरसमज निर्माण होतो. हे तुम्ही सांगून दिलं आज, की आपल्या मुलांना चुकीची माहिती देऊ नका आणि चुकीच्या गोष्टी इन्फॉर्मेशन कधीच करायचं नाही. त्याच्यामुळे थँक यू.